Let's see what we got in this bugger. Your Scout, Tightrope, Stickies, Carl's Worms, and oh snap! I was just reeling in. Oh, this feels nice. I don't know what it is though. Feels decent, whatever it is. Oh, little northern stuck in weeds. That's what it is. All right then, buddy. Little northern. All right, come on. Oh, nice. You come right off. Good job. All right, that is one lure down. Oh, Mr. Snake Northern. All right. Oh, one lure's down. Oh, there he goes. Throw this a couple more times, put it away. Let's move this so I don't break it. Oh, got him on the worm. He's just a little one. Come on, bolt flip. Oh, he's not that little. Oh, dang. He ain't that little. Oh, I think I just scared it up because it's just over here. Ooh, come on. Let's throw this anchor down real quick. Throw this down real quick. And sink it in. There it is. Done. Dang, that is the nicest one yet. This year. Look at that. Oh. I was jamming up. Alright, let's see here. Alright, come right out. Ooh, he's been hooked. I haven't caught a fish for a while since that northern. This is a tummied up little girl. Let's see how long you are. Just real quick. I just want to see. Well, let's. Well, don't do that. You can hurt yourself. Alright, let's see. Let's get you back right away. Come on. 15 and a half. 15 and a half incher. Alright, come on. Oh yeah, she did. Alright, so last up is the tightrope jig and the Skoshi bug. Which is kind of neat because it just kind of, look at that. Alright, let's get this rigged up. That was the same fish. I think it was. I think there's a bed sitting right there. Yep, he's at it. Yeah, he had it. I knew you had it that time. Yeah, boat flip. Dude, is that the same? No, this one's thinner. Alright, well, that's all the lures today. We have a nice, oh, he got this thing all balled up. There we go. That is a nice, healthy looking fish. Yeah, this one's slightly, a little bit slimmer. Oh no, yeah. They are bedding up back here. Let's get you back, buddy. Oh, yep, there you go. Well, that's all lures today. Oh, I just missed when my line was going sideways. I was looking the other way. I thought I just got hung up on a weed, but that was definitely a fish. The line just started traveling backwards. Come on, fishy. I don't know where I went. My line was going this way. Maybe let's try over here a little bit. Got one. Oh, don't go around that tree. Come on. Oh, that's a big one. Bigger one, I should say. Oh, come here, come here. It's in his. Oh. Come on. Oh, the net job. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Look at that butterball. Look at this thing. It choked it. Oh, yes. Oh, this is the bad part about this lure. It is awesome, but it is pain to get out of fish. Oh, shit. Oh, these are probably in the way of that shot. All right, let's see here. Come on, let's get you back in the water. Right away. Don't do it. I know you're about to. I can see it in your eyeballs. Come on. That is a healthy fish. Look at that booger. You know what? I do need to start bringing my scale with me though. It's not weigh enough to weigh or nothing, but this one here is about 16-incher. Come on, big girl, let's get you back. There she goes. Look at off she goes. So the mystery tackle box, this one was pretty easy, I guess. Trolled around and got that one done. This one kind of just jigged around. It worked, but the ground's kind of mushy here. This was just tough to do. I don't know, just the color. It's kind of weird looking, but I did them all, so. Oh, nice one. Oh, that is a nice one. Come on, come on, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, he's barely hooked too. Come on, don't do it, don't do it. Oh, dang, that is nice. All right. Ooh, a straight butterball. Look at this thing. Oh, oh yeah. This is what we came out here to do. Oh, look at, see, I knew I was barely hooked. Look at that. Probably a 3-pounder, probably. I'd guess 3 pounds. 16 inches. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I know you're about to. Look at you. Oh, you're a beauty. Let's put you back and I'm tipping over. You good? Right in the weeds he goes. I'm telling you, springtime. Headhunter.